Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if screen flickering issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on hold side power button and volume up button and you will see restart phone from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off adaptive brightness button. After disable adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not linear. Remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if screens spill ring issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.